Hello to the side and back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Toki Uzuru, also known as Toki, and today I'm going to continue the languages of loves, or my series on the 5 love languages. Now the first one that I talked about, which is the one that I have, which is the main one for me, was quality time. But today I'm going to be talking about 2 of them in this video, and that is physical touch and words of affection. Now, although specifically physical touch tends to be more on the intimate side, or at least that's how people think of it, what I'm going to point out is things that you could do that are fairly innocent, fairly friendly. So, as I didn't point it out, but segued, the first one I'm going to be talking about today is physical touch. Now, of course, physical touch is self-explanatory. Now, ways to tell whether you or a specific person you know has their love language mainly as physical touch is if they prefer physical expression of affection. So like holding hands, cuddling while watching a movie, friendly massages, pretty much all the basic, cute, stereotypical relationship type stuff. They tend to love more of the hugs or head pats or forehead kisses or anything else that sounds like it would be very cute. Or they're just completely comfortable with PDA, like showing public displays of affection, even though afterwards they might end up getting embarrassed because they realize that there are people around. So the overall way to go ahead and help out is by making sure that your body language says that whether it would be okay for them to hug you or not, whether it'd be okay for them to like get up into your personal space. Have open body language is what I'm trying to say. So as much as the whole physical touch thing is the name of it, it also happens to deal with not just overall nonverbal communications of love and affection. But one of the ways in which you can actually help out, like friends or significant others, while you're either in a long distance relationship or they're just lonely because of quarantine, would be like online type dates where it feels like you two are in the same place. Now, words of affirmation would probably be like the actual verbal physical touch type thing. And people who tend to use more of the words of affirmation love language, they just really like pretty words. They tend to take what you say more seriously. So things like verbal praises or written words really mean a lot. Handwritten cards, yes. So of course, the ways that you can help or tell people that have this as their main love language is by, again, sending unexpected texts of you trying to tell them how much you care for them. And that is all for this video because I am ready for bed. Anyway, all the resources that I used to gather this information will end up being in the description box below. And it's time for me to do my stereotypical YouTuber outro, where I, as a stereotypical YouTuber, would ask you to do the following. If you do like this video and you want to go ahead and hear more about the 5 love languages, specifically I know I have like 2 more left, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button and tell me in the comment section if you took the test, which will also be in the description below, which love language did you get the highest percentage of? That'll end up being your main love language. Segueing into the comment section, you can also tell me anything else that you want to go ahead and learn about the love languages or just like mystical stuff in general. I'm starting to do a religious studies series where I go do as much research as I can. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can go ahead and see when those videos come out, and click the notification bell and turn the notification bell to all notifications just to be notified of when I post. That is all. I'm about to go ahead and get ready for bed. So, I am Toki Uzuru, and this is Toki saying, I'm going to bed.